of the variables, just plug them in.
Okay.
And then for this one,
okay. So yeah, okay. So obviously you see two cones and one cylinder in this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the volume of a cylinder, and then you have volume of the cone. So you need to find out the volume of a cylinder and then ultimately cone. So looks good. 1/3 pi square h and then pi square h looks good.
I forgot to multiply the cylinder by 2.
By the cone, yeah, cone.
The cone.
Yes,
yeah,
right. That's good. So if I give this question to you, or this is like, how can we do a little faster? Okay, I know you have a lot of calculations involved, and also this is you can use the calculator part also in there. Okay, so let's see that. Right. Okay, so one thing is like your answer is not in terms of the pi, right? When your answer is not in terms of the pi, and you have to multiply whatever the pi value at the end. Okay, so that's very careful with that too.
So I should have got D, but I didn't put D because I didn't multiply the cone.
Oh, okay. 2 times, alright, makes sense. Yep, there you go. So you got exactly what we needed. Right, correct answer. So just to, pretty quickly, if you want to do this question a little faster, right? I mean, obviously you did a really good work with the formulas, and then it's pretty much quicker. But again, so when you know already the one cylinder we have, pi radius is 5. For this cylinder, pi r squared, height is 10, plus, and then we have 2 cones, 1/3 pi r is same, and then height is 5 right here. So each of them are 5, right? So if you can do this way, this puts a little faster. I mean, and other than that, you did really pretty good on that too. Okay. Okay. Origin is 0, 0. That's true.
So I just hurried up and I put A as my answer.
Oh, okay.
It would make them on different points, and it wouldn't make them in the origin. It would make them different places.
Right. Okay. So it says these 2 points passes through the origin, right?
Yeah.
So when their pointer passes through the origin, and which of the following could be the value of the k? So what can we think of this one? First of all, let's see what is the slope, okay, by using one of the points. So if I say 2 and k, and then I know they go through the origin, so I can use that point as I can find the slope. Slope is, change in y over change in x. Basically, I can use that one, k minus 0 over 2 minus 0, which is k over 2. That's my slope, right? So I can use the same one, and then with the other point, so k and 32, and I know this is also slope has with this. I can find that one, which is y, change in y is 32 take with 0 over k take with 0, but I know the slope is k over 2. Okay, so if I use this one, so 32 over k equal k over 2, cross multiply, or I can multiply these two, which is 64 equals k squared. That means k is plus or minus 8.
Oh.
Okay. So the k is plus or minus 8, but again, plus or minus, whenever you have plus or minus, that's where you have to check back which one does work for you.
Okay.
Okay. So obviously it doesn't have a negative 8, so you can just take the positive 8 out of the question itself.
Okay.
So you have to be very careful with that, but otherwise this is given there.
Okay.
So we are using the logic behind of that since they are passing through the origin, so obviously they have to have the same slopes. Okay, so we use that and then we find out that one with using the slope formula. Does that make sense?
Okay. I kind of drew a circle and put 0 A or B. So
Right.
equals minus pi over 4. And radians, I was assuming, was all of the little lines that would be in there. So I only knew I was given the area on the first page. So I'm
Right.
like, okay, that's the area.
Okay. But we are looking at the area of the what is that called? The sector formed by this, what fraction to the area of the circle? Okay. So AOB, this measured at the 5 pi over 4, and obviously that's the area of the sector. Okay, I mean the angle formed by the sector. Okay, does that make sense? Now since we have that circle and this part is 5 pi over 4, but my total circle, the circle is 2 pi. Okay, so this is circle, total angle, and this is the sector angle.
So the full, that's the rule, is that a circle is 2 pi?
Yes, any time the angle in a circle is 360 degrees, which is 2 pi. 360 degrees equal 2 pi. Okay, angle in a circle.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the fact. So you need to remember this.
Yeah, I actually solved like 5 pi over 4.
Right.
And I had the decimal divided by 360 and I stopped.
Oh, okay. And then that's good. Place it and then you can just get that off. So it's 5/8. Okay. So which is basically, I know, yeah, sometimes it's too fine. Sometimes we get confused, but again, the wording, and then we have to look at all the stuff in there.